Welcome to MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. My name's Stuart Caldwell. Today I want to walk you through a Crest II 220. This particular model has two loungers up front. This boat also has a changing station. We also put a table installed to the place of your liking. Here at the helm, we have your gauges, the RPM, the trim, the voltage, and the fuel. Along with, you have a Fusion stereo, plenty of storage. You have the captain's chair. Then towards the back, you also have an additional lounger. This particular boat has a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke motor. You also have the tow bar for skiing and tubing. So please come by MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia at 5800 Lanier Islands Parkway and check the boat out in person.